Okay, at this time I just discussed about only two layers, right? This is the page layer. And okay, so you have in the test layer, you may have a number of test pages, right? Not test page, test files, right? This is the login file. This is a registration file, registration test. You should not mix, okay? First, you should have what are the feature you are testing. For that feature, you should have one separate test class file. So you want to login is one separate feature, registration is another separate feature. So you should have two separate test class files. Okay. So registration, and now after that you have employee validation test. Okay, and you may have some other page, some other page. Okay. Now these are the page classes. What is this? Sorry, test class. Test file. Okay. So this test is inherited by one of the base class. This is the base test, right? This base test inherited by this test, inherited by this test, right? You understood, right? All the test classes inherits by base test. What is this base test? Understood, right? Clear? Hello? Respond all. It should be interactive session. Okay, just I am telling you.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
So this is the base test. What do you have in the base test?
Driver.
Before method, after method.
Before method, after method would be there. But what is there mainly?
Drivers.
What is the responsibility of the base test?
Web driver.
Giving the driver and
Passing the web driver.
closing the web driver and creating the instance of the driver. Okay. So this driver you are passing to all the tests, right? So this test, this is the login test. Login test. And what is this? Registration. Okay. And this is some employee. The home page test. Okay. So like this I have, right? Test files. So what are the pages you are seeing, right? What I said, how many test class, how many page class you are going to create? Somebody asked this kind of silly questions also they may ask. How many page classes you are going to create? The number of pages you are seeing, those many page class you should create. Okay, so yeah, simple. How many pages are there in the application? Those many page class. Why you are creating? To avoid the ambiguity between one page class and another page class. To have a clear separation and easy of maintenance and reusability, right? So this is one page class. This is another page class, and this is another page. Right? For example, this is login page. Every page class, what is required to perform any actions?
Driver.
Driver. How do you pass the driver? From test to page class?
Through the constructor.
Very good, Paul. Super. Like this, right? So here you are creating the object. You are here creating the object to the login page and calling the functions. What do you have in the page class? Can you tell me? What do you have in the page class? What are the content you will have in the page class? Locators.
All locators.
And
Web elements.
web elements. Okay.
Driver.
Mainly web elements చెప్పిన పర్లేదు కానీ డ్రైవర్ గురించి ఆల్రెడీ డ్రైవర్ లేకుండా ఏం చేయలేవు కదా. And functions. Right? Functions. So what do you have in the page class? Locators, web elements, and functions specific to that page. Okay, specific to that page. You should not have the locators and web elements of registration page web elements into login page. Okay, right? Understood? Clear? And doubt unda unte cheppandi. When she has some doubt, she asks, right? Can you explain me about to design, right? Like this. You will create the object here. What do you do? Object dot some function name. Page object dot like this you will call. Okay, na? Got it? Is it clear? Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఏమన్నా డౌట్ ఉందా ఇక్కడ? ఇది అర్థమైందా లేదా ఇంతవరకు? డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి అబ్బా, మొహమాటం వద్దు. కిరణ్ కాదు, కిరణ్ ఇప్పుడే అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు. కృష్ణ, నీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా లేదా ఏమన్నా?
Yes, sir. అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఏమర్థమైంది?
From page class, we are calling page object dot function in test, no, sir?
How do you call the one class functions into another class?
By creating objects.
You can call through
First you need to
also.
create the object for that particular class dot function name. And what is other option? By inheriting. But here you should create the object for your page class. Okay. I'm creating the object dot what are the functions you want. Okay. Just for the namesake I have written one function. Right? Clear? Okay. Sometimes you may have some question. Might be in my registration page, right? You are in the registration page or some other employee page. Might be you need functions of login page, right? First of all, you need to log in, right? First of all, you need to log in. Then ఏంటి భవానీ భవానీ ఉన్నాడా?
సార్
ఏంటది 3వ తారీఖు మార్చుతానంట.
అవును సార్.
ఎప్పుడు? ఆహా, మనం అడిగింది ఎప్పుడు? 9గా.
నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ 9 అడిగితే ఆ పై మంత్ అడుగుతున్నారు సార్ వాళ్ళు.
1 month గా.
30 days వాళ్ళ సీనియర్ టీం వాళ్ళు ఒప్పుకోవట్లేదు అంట సార్. 30 పీరియడ్ సర్వ్ చేసిన తర్వాత జాయిన్ అవ్వమని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
ఎందుకంట? ఎప్పుడు చెప్పారు ఇది?
ఇందాక క్లాస్ జరిగేటప్పుడు ఫోన్ చేసింది సార్.
ఓకే.
సార్
పరీక్ష ఆగదు. వాళ్ళు అడిగి తొందరగా జాయిన్ కావాలి.